So it means in 2025, at least 1 in 10 people in the world will own Bitcoin. Morgan Stanley will start offering digital gold to its customers, and Goldman Sachs won't? Unlikely. If Amazon goes into Bitcoin, then we'll see Google and Apple accept cryptocurrencies too. Welcome to the Coin Post. In 4 years, Bitcoin is gonna have 1 billion users. Analyst Willy Wu gives this prediction based on the increasing number of the internet and Bitcoin users, with the latter figure being higher. So it means in 2025, at least 1 in 10 people in the world will own Bitcoin. Can you imagine how much 1 BTC would cost? And how small would the current price of $38,000 look? It does sound promising, but is it real? Let's talk today about the reasons that could lead to mass acceptance of Bitcoin. We follow the situation every day on our channel, so don't forget to subscribe. And let's dive in. Traditionally, I'm starting our review with the current price of Bitcoin. It's come close to a $38,000 level, which gives us hope for the rise again. It's particularly important to close this week above this level. But then there's the second 40,000 resistance, and the final confirmation of the U-turn will be breaking through 42,000. Anything below these prices indicates that at best we're in a consolidation range of 30,000 to 40,000, and at the worst we're expecting a deeper correction. The targets are slightly more positive and are now at $21,130. We're talking about the 21-week MA, which is still a springboard for further growth, and the key thing to do is to bounce from it. And while Bitcoin can't make up its mind on a new trend, Ethereum keeps delighting us. It surged up to $1,600. It officially became the first of the old altcoins to hit a new high of the previous cycle and maintain the upward trend. The forecast for this coin to rise up to $2,000 is still valid. The next checkpoint is $1,700, and at one point it was only $13 away. Ethereum could rise even if Bitcoin turns around again, as we bet on the news of the CME futures launch on February the 8th. I know I've been telling this kind of story about the market for at least 2 weeks now, but in fact all this time there's been a sideways trend with a high amplitude, while the overall picture remains unchanged. And if you're wondering when to buy and sell, I want to give you a real example of Rougher Investment, which bought Bitcoin for about $650 million in the fall. And now that the price has doubled, they have sold about the same amount. That is, they took what's theirs, and now they can hodl as much as they want without worrying much about short-term price fluctuations. If you follow a similar strategy, share it in the comments, please. And we're moving on to the main part of the video about mass acceptance of Bitcoin. You already know that the PayPal payment platform accepts Bitcoin. On January 11th, they had a sort of record as PayPal cleared $242 million in crypto sales. But that's in the past, and the future is that PayPal head Dan Schulman has announced plans to expand options to use cryptocurrencies. It's about 29 million sellers who accept payments through PayPal, where you can pay for your goods and services. It's gonna happen in the next few months, but PayPal is just a small shop next to the supermarket when comparing their business to the payment giant Visa. They announced that they are testing software solutions for banks so that they can buy and store Bitcoin. Anchorage Crypto Bank will be their partner, which is the first officially registered national digital asset bank in the United States. How serious is this? This system will soon be tested, and then virtually any bank in the world will be able to offer trading in cryptocurrency. Today, not all people on Earth have access to banking services, but in all developed and developing countries, it's common to have a few bank accounts. And so this whole army of people may soon have access to Bitcoin. And here I want to quote Skybridge Capital's CEO Brett Messing. Morgan Stanley will start offering digital gold to its customers, and Goldman Sachs won't? Unlikely. It's highly improbable because as soon as one bank starts providing services, the rest of the world will immediately get involved in this race. And you give this video a thumbs up to make Visa and PayPal live up to their promises as soon as possible and make Bitcoin available worldwide. But I bet on Jeff Bezos for a reason. Why? Find out next. Amazon vaulted over the $100 billion mark in sales for its fiscal 2024 quarter. On that note, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos announced him stepping down as CEO and transition to executive chair of the company's board. Of course, we wish him luck in realizing his new ideas, which he decided to spare some time for, but the main point is that Amazon's new CEO will become Andy Jassy, who was formerly the head of Amazon Web Services. He previously led the Amazon-managed blockchain project, which is the processing of payments and credits on the Hyperledger Fabric blockchain, built on the basis of Ethereum. Andy Jassy also worked on a platform for payment card issuers with Global Payments, a Canadian company. Bezos gave a pep talk to the future director of Amazon not to be afraid of new, bold ideas, and in the crypto community they are hoping it will be related to the blockchain. But it's hard to say whether it will be accepting payments in cryptocurrency, launching an investment digital business, or something else. But if Amazon goes into Bitcoin, then we'll see Google and Apple accept cryptocurrencies too. The idea is similar to the one with the banks. Once one corporation decides to make money on it, the rest will come right after. And yes, I believe it's quite real even in 2021. I also believe that you will keep subscribing to our channel and our community will be growing larger and larger. And no, I did not forget about the crypto world. Binance also made their own payment platform. It works so far only for the platform clients, but payments are available in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Binance USD, and Euro. That's great news too, but less significant. Nevertheless, the number of clients on the cryptocurrency exchanges is constantly increasing, and platforms are adding more services besides trading. Therefore, the acceptance of Bitcoin will be increasing too, and the process can't be stopped. Share in the comments which corporation you think will accept Bitcoin first. I wish everyone to make a profit and share this video with your friends on social media and messengers who are not yet aware of the great future for the cryptocurrency industry. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. It's the Coin Post channel. Subscribe and get enlightened.